Michael Rennie, Chief Operating Officer of Cynergy Bank. What's the importance to your bank of an API ecosystem?
Well, for us, we're a small bank looking to grow rapidly. We're not in the market to build out our entire core banking systems and banking systems for that matter. So for us, it's an opportunity to be able to scale our systems and get best of breed from a multitude of providers, the fintechs, etc., and bring them into our ecosystem and make them available to our customers. So it's a quick way for us to add additional functionality to our systems and ultimately benefit our customers.
I should also add, it's a cheap way of doing it.
It's a cheaper way of doing it. It's certainly, so it's cheap because, of course, I'm not having to build all of that functionality and I can consume it. So from that perspective, absolutely, it's a lower cost to us to do that. But what it also gives us is, if they don't keep pace with the market, or we don't ultimately like the service that's being provided, there's an alternative provider in the market that I can go to and consume that service from.
And you can build services with a variety of APIs that are unique to the bank.
Absolutely. So we can choose how we want to pair those services up, and ultimately the way we architect and the way that we then offer it back out is effectively, potentially our IP, or how we want to package up those services comes down to the service we want to give to our customers. So yes, we can say, I'll have one of those, combine it together effectively and produce something completely different that someone else doesn't have.
And what's the target market for Cynergy then? Who are your potential customers?
So we operate in the M of the SME space. That's largely where we operate. And I mean, the large market for us at the moment has been property entrepreneurs, but we do focus on the medium enterprises. So that's who we're targeting.
And it's a classically underserved segment in the past. Is it really going to change? Because we've seen a lot of people like you, banks like yours, come into being. Is that a result, as much as anything else, of the development of the technology that makes available the ability to do what you've been describing?
Well, I think what we're trying to do is our customers. We've been around for a while. We're not a new bank, and a lot of our customers love our relationship managers. They like the human. We talk about us being the human digital bank, right? So what we mean by that is our customers want to speak to our relationship managers. They want to speak to the human being. But for us, what's critically important is, at the moment, we spend far too much time with our customer-facing human beings turning the handle in the back end as well. So the whole idea, what we're trying to do is place the human at the front but digitize everything behind it. So what it allows us to do is to spend 80-90% of the RM time with the customer and 10% ensuring the transactions going through, as opposed to the other way around, which is what we're struggling with today. So that's ultimately what we're trying to do.
Michael Rennie of Cynergy Bank, thank you very much.
Thank you.